Hi, I'm David Souza, back with another accessory mounting solution from Bracket One. While Bracket One's best known for their systems that attach to the camera tripod hole under your camera, this video features the new dual receiver mounting kit that mounts to the threaded hole on top of your camera. You'll notice that you don't lose availability of the threaded hole once you mount this product. You can still mount another accessory here, such as an articulating arm or this shoe mount by Bracket One. This kit is available in 4 different packages. The Sennheiser kit includes 2 EW clips for mounting 2 Evolution series receivers. The Lectrosonics kit includes 2 LR clips for mounting any of the clip-mounted Lectro receivers. The Sony kit has 2 S clips for mounting the smaller Sony receivers. And the Universal dual receiver mounting kit includes 2 quick plates for mounting 2 larger receivers. The kit comes assembled in its most popular configuration, but to reconfigure these kits is fairly simple. You loosen the 2 flathead screws that hold the plate to the base A bracket, and that allows that plate to slide to the left or to the right to move the receivers forward or back on the camera. If you take the screws completely out, you can then move the plate up 2 notches to give it a little more height, or you can even use the 2 holes on the bottom to mount it up really high, facing in either direction. These screws are easy to access if you're using either the Sennheiser kit or the Lectrosonics kit. However, if you're using the Sony kit or the Universal kit, you will have to remove the S clips or the quick plates to get to the screws. However you set this up in your camera, it's very easy to either remove the whole package by just unscrewing the 1/4-20 screw from the top of your handle, or by just unclipping your receivers or unstrapping them from the quick plates. Really easy to change batteries, change receivers, set up and break down your gear. See all of our products at bracketone.com and ask for us at your favorite professional video store.